Welcome to the Spendwise Moms channel, your homemaking resource hub. Sometimes when we are cooking, a recipe will call for oat flour. Usually it is only a small amount, so it's not worth it to drive to the store and get a package that will take you forever to finish. Just make it yourself. It is fast and easy. Take some rolled oats and put them in a food processor and grind them until they turn to flour. Sift them next and put any larger pieces back into the food processor again until they are ground well. You can try this with quick oats in a pinch, but I wouldn't use steel-cut oats. I read somewhere that you could use them, and so I tried it, and my muffins did not turn out the same way. The flour was heavier, and they didn't cook right for me. Notice I did not put a picture of the muffins on the thumbnail. Enough said. It is so nice when you can make things yourself, like oat flour. It saves you a trip to the store as well. Thanks for watching the Spendwise Moms channel. Please subscribe for more videos like this.